Every observer in the universe sees the observable universe around him as an expanding sphere, 93 light-years in diameter. This is true for any observer, even those outside our observable universe. What we see and what they see is the same, an expanding sphere 93 light-years in diameter. Observable universe. Assuming the universe is isotropic, the distance to the edge of the observable universe is roughly the same in every direction. That is, the observable universe has a spherical volume, a ball, centered on the observer. Every location in the universe has its own observable universe, which may or may not overlap with the one centered on Earth. The radius of the observable universe is therefore estimated to be about 46.5 billion light-years and its diameter about 28.5 gigaparsecs, 93 billion light-years. The observable universe is a sphere. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. O society of jinn and humans! If you can escape the diameters of the heavens and the earth, go ahead and escape. But you will not escape except with authorization. But diameter is strictly property of circles or spheres. Since earth and the heavens have diameters, then according to the Quran, earth and the observable universe are spheres. Man on earth and the jinn in the heavens see the observable universe as a sphere. Observers everywhere see the same properties for the universe. Cosmological principle. The cosmological principle is usually stated formally as viewed on a sufficiently large scale. The properties of the universe are the same for all observers. This amounts to the strongly philosophical statement that the part of the universe which we can see is a fair sample, and that the same physical laws apply throughout. In essence, this in a sense says that the universe is knowable and is playing fair with scientists. Viewed on a sufficiently large scale, the properties of the universe are the same for all observers. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran. Are you more difficult to create, or the heaven? He constructed it. He raised its thickness, and equalized it. He raised its thickness. Today we know that this is correct because the universe is expanding, radius of observable universe is increasing. No matter which direction you travel in, you will end up at the starting point just like on a sphere. This also implies that the universe is at least 250 times bigger than the observable universe. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1400 before it was discovered. Quran. And the sky that returns. We already know that all planets return to the same locations in their respective orbits, however today we know that if this is also true on larger scale, then this implies that the universe is closed and finite. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Both jinn and man cannot escape the diameters of heavens and earth, this means there is no exit. So according to the Quran the universe is closed and finite. No mistakes in the Quran. The Bible says that the sky is hard as a mirror of cast bronze. Job 37 verse 18. So the Bible insists on a static universe. Actually, Albert Einstein's famous blunder, the cosmological constant, was to explain the static universe. Although at that time no scientific evidence existed to support that claim, Einstein gave the Bible the benefit of the doubt and went for a static universe, non-expanding, non-contracting. Later, when Edwin Hubble discovered the expansion of the universe, Einstein retracted this cosmological constant and called it the biggest blunder of his career. By trusting the Bible, Einstein got it wrong by the order of 10 into 120.